If you've been on social media lately, you've probably seen those viral ads for pet hair removal gloves promising a stress-free way to groom your cat or dog just by petting them. Sounds magical, right? Today, we're breaking down whether these gloves are actually worth your money or if they're just another internet fad. Pet hair removal gloves are marketed as the perfect solution for pets who hate traditional brushes. The idea is simple. Slip on the glove, run your hand through your pet's fur, and the soft silicone bristles are supposed to grab loose hair effortlessly. It's a comforting gesture for pets and an easy grooming routine for owners. At least, that's what the ads claim. Now, let's talk features. Most brands highlight a flexible, universal fit, gentle bristles that won't irritate your pet's skin, and an easy cleanup system where the collected fur peels right off the glove. Sounds convenient. But here's the catch. When you look for real user feedback on trusted platforms like Trustpilot or major e-commerce review sections, there's surprisingly little to be found. For a product so heavily advertised, that absence is a red flag. Customer experiences are all over the place. Some pet owners swear these gloves work well on short-haired animals and skittish pets that refuse brushes. They appreciate the gentle feel and say it's better than nothing. But others claim the gloves barely pick up any hair, especially on long-haired breeds, or that the bristles lose effectiveness after a few uses. Durability also seems inconsistent across different brands. And here's something important. Despite the bold promises, there's no third-party testing or scientific validation confirming how effective these gloves really are. Without independent reviews or reliability testing, there's no clear way to measure how well they perform compared to a proper grooming brush. So, scam or legit? The answer is somewhere in the middle. These gloves aren't outright scams, but they're definitely overhyped. They might work as a light grooming tool or for pets that refuse brushes, but don't expect miracle results. If you want serious de-shedding power, traditional grooming tools still outperform them. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your own experience with pet hair gloves. See you in the next video.